Do you want to know how to upload HD videos on TikTok? Well, then you have come to the right place because I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this. But make sure that you watch this video until the very end so you don't make any mistake in this process. So first of all, you have to open your TikTok account, and here you can see I don't have any video and I have to go for uploads. For example, if I select this video, so here is the option allow high quality uploads. I have to enable it. If you want to upload your video in a high quality, so this option must be enabled. If you have any older version of TikTok, so your option will be here. Because I updated my TikTok account, so my option will be now appearing here. And one thing more, you have to check the quality of your video as well. If I check the quality of this video, so as you can see, this video is 1080p x 1920. That's mean my video is in HD quality. So that's mean your video must be in the HD quality, otherwise that option will be not appear here. And I will show you an example. For example, if I upload another video like this one, so as you can see, there is no any option of uploading high quality video. So this is a simple method. If you found it useful, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. If you have any question or comments about the topic we covered today, we'd love to hear from you in the comment section below. And we hope you have a fantastic day.